Today we'll talk about how can you select your neighborhood on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on my neighborhood, just click on it. So then here can you zoom in your zone here, can you select it like this, then it's going to show for you on your Hinge app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.